Is Haas's high-speed machining option only for contouring mold parts? No, it doesn't just improve throughput in mold shops. Modern cutting paths need HSM to get aggressive. Because aggressive equals more chips faster. And more chips equals making more money. But you can't just go faster. You must maintain accuracy. HSM lets your machine cut as quickly as possible, without pauses or deviation from the program's path. HSM optimizes feed rates and accelerations to match your machine's capability to the program's toolpath. How fast can your machine safely cut each complex feature? Don't worry about it. HSM knows and makes the adjustments for you. This is called Look Ahead, and it enables your machine to cut at full commanded speed where possible, but slow just enough where necessary to preserve geometry. And this lets you use your machine's capabilities to the fullest. So, get HSM and keep your tools on target and going fast, and help your machine crank out more money-making chips.